right, so we're walking into Creality here. So on right now. Scanning.
They're making the same thing.
I think so.
Oh, sorry. So we are looking at a laser scanning system. If you guys can see, it's supposed to be more thorough, and he's actually using a actual car part in here, in the engineering part. So it's mostly going to be for engineering, and this is their high-end version of it. And of course, you can mimic some of the changes if it's not correctly, some of the loops, some of the actual clearing. And it, of course, it's light reflection, so you got to make sure that you do this in the correct environment. But as you can see, let me show you something. It's creating its own lighting as a UV color. But I noticed something on the actual scan. It does have little dots in there. I'm not sure if he added in there or he set that up. So let me ask him in there. I got a question on a complex scan like that. Did you set up the little dots yourself, those stickers?
It's a marker.
The markers?
Yes.
Is it included with it, or you could just mark it yourself?
You can mark it by yourself.
Okay.
We'll send together with the marker that you can stick by yourself.
Can I pick this up? Let me just show this one.
Yeah.
So this is one of the things that they use it to scan, if you guys can see that.
So yeah, it's quite fast.
Very fast. And look at what it just got out of it in a couple of seconds. Now, it's going to need some cleaning, of course. Nothing's 100% how it comes out. But as a picture, it looks pretty good. And of course, they got their own software running on the video. What's the consumer price on that one right now?
This one is about 4,500.
Okay.
That one is about 1,500.
This is your high-end version of it.
Yeah, it's high-end, more like a professional
car industry. Yeah.
Yes.
I like that.
Exactly.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.